You are watching Learn with Shimani. Hello children. Today we will learn alphabet H. H for hand, H for hand, H for hand. H for house, H for house, H for house. H for horse, H for horse, H for horse. H for head, H for head, H for head.